Hi guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Well, in today's video, I'll be showing you the right way to shave your face. I'm going to tell you how exactly I shave, and I'm also going to tell you do's and don'ts. Now, before I start the video, I hope everyone is doing good, and I hope everyone is staying at home, and I hope everyone is taking care of themselves really well. Now with all this, let's start with today's video, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly the right way to shave face. And during this time there's no salon which is open, so we have to take care of ourselves at home. In today's episode I will not show you how to do eyebrow, that I'm going to show you in a different video. There are a lot of ways in which you can actually remove hair from your face. You can actually do threading, you can actually even wax, but that's not good for skin, so I will not suggest that. But you can do threading, but that's very painful. There are laser treatments that are available, and I don't suggest that also. You can also remove hair with different kind of razors, and there are many methods. Even there's a method with which you can remove your hair. That method is by using gelatin. I've done a video on it. I'll put it in the description box, so please have a look at it. That is also a very easy way to remove hair. Now in today's video, I'll be using a razor like this. Now these kind of razors are meant only for women, and this razor is from a brand called Tinkle. Now I bought this from Nykaa. You can buy this from Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon, or even in any fancy stores which are near your house. The benefit of using this kind of razor is that the hair takes a lot of time to grow after you use this, and also the hair which is growing doesn't become thick. It's really comfortable to use this, and painless, and very cheap also. Now there are many ways by which you can remove hair using this. You can apply oil, you can apply a moisturizer. Now today I'm just gonna, usually I apply oil, but I like applying water, just plain water. If you want, you can also apply face wash and then do that. Is also a very nice way to remove hair. I'll be holding it like this, downwards. I've got a lot of hair. I've not shaved in like 3 weeks because I wanted to do this video. So if you see, I have upper lip also. So what you're supposed to do is hold your face like this tightly, and then slowly do it like this in the downward direction. If you have acne, then be a little more careful. And I'm just going to take a tissue paper and clean my entire face. So guys, this is the way how I shave my face. It's very easy to do with this razor. In fact, I will say that instead of using any other method, try this. This is the best way because it actually doesn't trim, but it removes hair from the root, and this really helps the hair. What happens is the hair will take a lot of time to grow back, and also it will not grow thick. Also, after you shave your face, make sure to clean your razor properly. I can see a lot of hair here. Make sure to clean your razor properly. After I use this one blade, actually in that packet there were 3, and I use it for like 3 to 4 times each razor, and then I just throw it off. It's very cheap and a very nice way to remove hair. So while you shave your face, make sure that you clean your face really well before doing it. If you want, you can also exfoliate. That gives really good results. Second, be very careful while you do it. I always doing it in the downward direction and then in the upward direction, but very slowly. And while you are near your eyes and your eyebrow and your lip, be very careful. That's it. I think this is the best way to remove hair. Actually, these are called eyebrow razors, and these are best to remove extra hair. But I'm going to do a different video on that, and stay tuned for that. I hope you liked my video today. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Do check the description box. I leave the link to this product there. And before you go, please do not forget to subscribe. Stay safe, everyone. Stay at home, and I hope things get better soon. I'm going to see you all soon with my new video. Till then, bye.